Guys, here we are. Donkey bonus is only fitting for the chonky slot donkey. Wifey nailed it. Let's go. I could have been a triple puff. Yeah, it's the luchadors. Come on. The donkey. Look how cute the donkey is up there now. So the last time we had 4 spins each time. There we go. Oh, what's that? What's that one? I think it collects them all. Oh, yeah, it collects them all. So it's pretty much multiplier. Hey. Good job. That blue one's really cool. That blue, if you get another blue one, that's really good. Oh, the top, he has 2 blue ones. See, it keeps collecting them. That's crazy. I didn't know it does it on the back. Okay. 21. Yeah, it's 21 to unlock it, but one by one. Oh, there you go. Blue one over there. That's great. You just need 5 more to get the second one. The third one. Yeah, that one's really good. Whoa, that's like a black hole over there. Oh, it even collects the other one. Let's get it. Come on, you can do it. One by one. It'll be a 10-minute video. It's fine. All right. 75 cents. Come on. Okay. Come on, wifey, put a voodoo on it. It's gonna come now. Oh, you son of a gun. It was still very good. I mean, it's hard to get up to the top with a smaller bet, but it's still very cute and good. It's a fun game. Do. A little big win. The other one was a big one. This was less big one. Do. Good job, wifey.